Hi, welcome to this live trading. Today it is 27th September. So let me share my screen now. Just give me a moment. Yes. Now I think you can see my screen very clearly. Nifty opened gap up, and the first 15 minutes, the range made by Nifty for the first 15 minutes is almost 100 points. 17,160 is the high and 17,060 is the low. Right now it is 10:34. A green candle is formed. The wonderful candle is formed. I have three indicators on my chart. One is the CPR, and the other one is 8 exponential moving average and 21 exponential moving average. I am looking at the 5 minutes time frame. Yes, now this looks bigger than before. Now I see here the 8 exponential moving average is below 21 exponential moving average. So it is a right time to sell Nifty Index. If this candle, which is now at 17,044, if it closes below 8 exponential moving average, then I have to take a sell trade. My first criteria to take a trade is the range of the candle should be 20 points and below. The range of a candle on 5 minutes time frame should be 20 points and below. At 10:25, I had an opportunity to buy. But now at this moment, this candle, the range is very high, so I don't want to initiate any trade. I'm looking out for one wonderful opportunity. Now Nifty is trading inside the CPR. Let's hope the range of this candle will be below 20. 10:35 candle. And right now in my watch list, I have 17,150 put option. So now I'm back. So now it is time. Let me check. Is it the right time to buy? Yes. The range of this candle is 5161. No, I cannot initiate any trade here. Yes, the high of this candle made is 187. So now I will buy at 187. Yes, I will buy now at 187. Now it is trading at 185. Now it's active. My trade is active. Sorry. Buy 17,150 at 187. Stop loss is 177. Target is 199. Amazing. Now it is trading at 191, 192. So 197 is my target. No, sorry, 199 is my target. Now it is trading at 192. So all my three criteria are met. The range of the candle was almost 22, 23, and this is trading at above VWAP, on the option chart. So that's the reason why I initiated my trade. Why I initiated this trade. Now it is trading at 195. So 199 is my target. Now my target will be met very shortly. Yes, target is met. Thank you so much. So let me wind up this session. Thanks for participating in this live trade. Thank you, guys.